Hi guys, it's Erik-Weisz with a new lockpicking video. And the lock I have today is a quite interesting one. It's this cylinder, a cam lock I guess, that was sent to me by a fellow lockpicker all the way from New York. And yes, it's the Dome SSDeV with this quite remarkable keyway. It has 2 rows of pins, 5 pins each, and they are arranged just like in the Dome IX series. But the key has 2 blades, one goes on that side and one on the other side, and each of them actuates 5 of the pins. I have no idea what could be an application for this type of cylinder, and I also don't know why there is this keyring attached to the back. So if you have any information about this would be interesting for me. Feel free to leave a comment. But now, without further ado, let's put this in the vise. Let's see if we can get it picked. Alright, the Dome SSDeV is now in the vise. For tensioning, I use the SB45 tensioner from Multipick. I insert it here on the top of the keyway so that there's plenty of room on the bottom on both sides. And for picking, I use the thin, shallow SSDeV hook. And I apply only light tension, because these pins can really easily be overset. I start on the right hand side. Five was binding, now 4. Should be some co-rotation on this side before I switch to the other side. There is some co-rotation, but I think it's not enough. But number 5 and number 4 feel loose. Now there's some more co-rotation, maybe that's enough now. Let's see. Number 5 should be binding, which is the case. Okay. Now it's loose. Let's try this side again. Some more co-rotation from number 4. Now all pins on this side feel loose. 2 is binding now. And some more co-rotation. Let's check this side again. 1 is loose. 2 is now binding. And there we go. All right. That's a really tough one. It may look easy, but I had to practice a lot before I could open that. Mainly because of the weak springs that are inside and that make oversetting pins so easy. So, you see, clearly picked. I close it up again. No, I don't close it up again because I don't have a key. So I have to get it in the open state. I have to first remove the 2 screws here and the back plate. Let's take a pinning tray first. There are 2 small screws. And that back plate. And once this is removed, everything can slide out easily. I have a hollow follower that perfectly fits here. And let's turn that so that the pins are upside. All right. And as you can see, we have 2 rows of pins which are slightly offset, just like in the IX10 series. So, okay, then, yeah, let's see. I start in the back with the last one. Let's put that here. And the next one, let's put that here. I put them a bit offset so that I can remember which was which row. Let's do it with the pick. Let's stay in the order. That's the second one on that row. The first one in that row. And the first one in the other row. Right. Oops, it's this one. Okay, otherwise nothing special about the core. No countermilling or so. And let's take out the driver pins and springs. That's not so easy with the tweezers because they don't come out so far. That was the first on this side. First on the other side. Sometimes it works with tweezers. Oh, and second one on this side. Second on the others. Third on this side and some springs. Now come on. Let's take the rest from the back. That's the last one on this side. Come on. Last one on the other side. And the last one. On that side, and some springs again. Come on. Oops, and the last one pin. No, which was that? I guess this was that one. And one more. That's that one. And some more springs. And one spring is still missing. That should be maybe the last one. Oh, let's see, which one is it? Oh, there we go. All right. Otherwise, nothing special about the housing here. Also, no sidebar grooves or so. Only the chambers for the driver pins. And yeah, let's arrange that a bit. Correct, I guess. All right. Let's have a close-up. As you can see, also the pins look quite similar to the ones that we have in the Doma IX dimple locks. And we have torpedo pins, and we have some taperings, and yeah, some interesting features. Also, this one has a little serration on the top. Yeah, very challenging lock, and as you can see, the springs are very small and also quite weak, and that's why everything can be overset so easily. In any case, a very fun and challenging and interesting lock, especially concerning the keyway. Yeah, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you next time. Bye bye.